boys and girls, to the first edition of our social distancing in PE. What I've got today is a striking and fielding game focused on the topic of bowling in cricket. All you'll need is a tennis ball, screw up pair of socks, something along those lines that you can practice with today. Now, first thing you're going to look at before we do any exercise is our warm-up. Simple game for you to start off with, hand-eye coordination warm-up. So we're going to look at how many times you can clap catch. Nice and simple. So one hand to throw, two hands to catch. As always, if you can get that, we look at a bit of a progression or a challenge. So see if you can add in a couple of claps. So we're looking at 2 claps. If you can do that 5 times in a row without dropping, then move on to 3 claps. You progress it each time until you can see how many claps you can get in a row. Once you've practiced that, do some circles around your body. Can you pass the ball around nice and quick? Then change direction. So again, we're warming up the upper part of our body, shoulders and arms, main part of what we're going to be using today. Stop there. Next part of our clap catch and our warm-up is going to be a head, shoulders, knees and clap. So each time you progress to a different body part as you clap and catch the ball. First one, if you look, I go head, clap, catch. If I can get that 3 times in a row, I can then move on to head and shoulders. So it's head, shoulders, clap, catch, just. Then after that one, we're looking, if we can get 3 times in a row again, looking at head, shoulders, knees, clap and catch. So go head, shoulders, knees, clap. We just got that one in. I'll show you one more time. Go head, shoulders, knees, clap, catch. And again, you're watching the ball, bringing both hands together, little fingers touching to secure that ball. If you can't get the first one, then stick with the head and clap, and then move on. Head, shoulders, knees and clap. And then the last one, always the trickiest, see if you can get this one in, is the head, shoulders, knees, toes, clap and catch. Here we go. Head, shoulders, knees. Oh, too many times, got that the wrong way around. Let's try again. Head, shoulders, knees, toes, clap. Oh, just. We're trying to get out as many as we can, warming up our body, looking at all the different ways we can clap catch and build up that confidence with the ball. Right, after that warm-up, boys and girls, now we're ready to move on to our bowling. So the first thing we need to look at, the first coaching point we're going to cover, is how we grip the ball. So between your index finger and your middle finger, you're going to place the ball in between, call them bunny ears, goes in there like that, and then your thumb comes underneath to secure the ball. That's how you grip. So first you've got that grip. Secondly, we're going to look at your base, so how you stand. Now I'm right-handed. Now I'm going to bowl the ball with my right hand, my right arm coming over towards the target. Now to keep a good base and a good balance, I'm going to look at opposite foot forwards. So as I bowl towards my target, I'm going to have my left foot forwards and my hand, bunny ear grip, coming up and over, so I've got that nice equal balance to my body. What I want to do is have a try using those 2 points to start off with. Can you try and hit a target? Now I've used a chair, you can use a pair of wellies or a watering can, anything you've got with your parents' permission that you can use to aim to throw your ball or a pair of socks at, or bowl should I say, not throw. Grip, index finger, middle finger, or thumb underneath, bunny ears, and opposite foot to opposite hand. We're going to do straight arm coming over and down towards the target. I managed to hit my watering can. Try again, stand at the side, opposite foot, opposite hand, bunny ears, arm coming straight over, and repeat the sequence. Now there, as you can see, I mentioned the third coaching point, which was straight arm. Now the reason why we have to keep straight arm when we're bowling is the laws of the game. It's part of cricket, you always must bowl with a straight arm. Going back to my ball. This time, using the 3 coaching points, looking at grip, base, foot position, opposite foot to opposite arm bowling, and then straight arm. I'm going to try again, hit that target, then over, down. Yes, I managed to just hit the bottom of there. Once you've got those 3 points, I want you to give it a practice. Try as many times as you can, over and over, repeat it, see how many times you can hit the wickets. We're going to look at the final 2 coaching points, and the first one is, the fourth one should I say, is as you come through, your arms look to cut down through your target. Now my target is the big chair in the middle, so watch, I've got my grip, my base, opposite foot to opposite hand, arm straight, my hand comes through and I cut down the target as I release the ball. Finally, the last point that we're going to look at is the follow through. So your hand and your foot come through, and I go down towards the target. And I'm running through, hopefully a bit better of a attempt to see if I can do it a bit quicker. Using the 5 points all together, come down, through, and then through towards the target from my follow through. What you're going to do now is you're going to have a competition. Using the 5 points, I want to see how many times you can hit your target out of 10. Comment under the video below. Let's see who can get that 10 out of 10 using the 5 coaching points from our bowling today. Ready, off you go. I'll retrieve my ball every time I'll come back. Go down again. Yeah, got it again. Now, in terms of distance, boys and girls, normally if you're bowling in cricket, is at least a 20-metre distance from end to end. Obviously, you're not going to have that kind of space, so pick your distance that's suitable for your age and your ability. If you're confident you've got that space, then use it. If you're just starting to learn how to bowl, then start off closer to your target, and we walk you through, remembering 5 coaching points from 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. We're going to move on to the last competition now, and this is to change your or challenge your ability. So what we've got is 3 different sizes and targets. As I said to you, I've got a chair, a watering can, and a pair of wellies. So what you're going to try and do, same technique using the 5 coaching points, but can you bowl and hit your target? Start off with a bigger target, and as you get better and improve your accuracy, then change your target to a smaller size each time. So I'm going to start off with a chair. I'm going to use a tennis ball. Now remember, you can do this with a pair of socks as well. The only thing is you don't get your bounce that you'd normally need, but it still works on improving your accuracy. So as you can see, you've got the 5 points going through towards the chair, then down, pushing through. Now I managed to hit the chair. I'm going to challenge myself. I'm going to move on to the smaller targets, which would be my wellies. Now I've got quite big feet, so I've got big wellies to aim for, so you might want to borrow your parents' wellies, provided they give you the chance. This time, going over, I've knocked one over already. I'm going to go down towards my target, and I managed to hit the wellies through. Now, 2, showing the last one, which would be the watering can, the smallest target of the 3. Using the 5 coaching points that I mentioned earlier, go down towards the target, and I managed to hit my watering can. But as you notice with all these activities, this is something that can be done on your own. Now this can be practiced in the garden, but as I said, social distancing PE, this is mainly what we're looking at in school. You can practice on the playground, in the sports hall, in the hall, against a target, against a wall. All you're using is 1 ball per child, per person, and these can be washed down easily at the end of each session. If you've enjoyed the video, remember to click subscribe and like, turn the notifications on, and look out for the next video next week, showing you another example of PE to be done under these uncertain times at the moment. Thanks a lot.